Hello everyone, welcome back to the ENG channel. In this video, we will explain how to get your orders from your Tokopedia online shop to the IZI Marketplace module. By clicking on the Get Orders button provided by the IZI Marketplace module, all your orders from your marketplace can be viewed and processed in Odoo. Whenever a customer orders online, you'll be able to not only view all your orders in Tokopedia, but also in the Sales app in Odoo. There are two ways to get orders, the manual way or with a scheduler. Let's check out how this process looks like in this video. So in my Tokopedia online shop here, I have one new request where a customer ordered for my chocolate cookie. The invoice is viewed at the top here with the date and time the customer has ordered for the chocolate cookie. Now let's go back to Odoo and click on the Sales app. Here, you will see a list of orders that I have already pulled from various marketplaces before. But the order that I showed in Tokopedia just now has not been pulled yet. We will first try to manually pull this order in the IZI Marketplace app here. Now we'll click on the Tokopedia shop. And to manually pull orders in Odoo, click on the Get Orders button. A pop-up will appear. You'll be able to choose the parameter, either by date range or by marketplace invoice number. If you choose the latter, you need to input the specific invoice number. You can choose whether you want to pull orders with intervals in between. If this is activated, an option to choose the number of intervals and the interval type, whether it be in days, weeks, or months, will appear. And you can choose the beginning and ending date that you want to pull orders within. For this example, only orders that take place between May 9th and May 12th will be pulled to Odoo. Once done, click on Get Orders. The customer order that I have shown in the beginning of the video has now been pulled and can be viewed in my Sales app here. The sales order lines show all the products that make up the price, like the chocolate cookie itself and the delivery and insurance price. In the Marketplace tab, you'll see the Marketplace invoice number, which is the same number as the number in the online shop. The order status, payment method, and buyer name with all their information is recorded. The second way to pull orders from the Marketplace is by using a scheduler. Let's go back to the IZI Marketplace module and to our Tokopedia shop. On the right, an order scheduler can be seen, and you'll see that the scheduler is not active. Click on Edit, then the external link button here. You can change the name of the scheduler, the model, which I will keep as the Marketplace account, who the scheduler user is. You can choose to configure for every how many minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months the scheduler will execute the Get Order action. And here I'll type for every 1 minute when the next execution date will be, how many times the number is called, its priority, and whether to repeat missed occurrences. Once done, click Save. You will see the Sync Every field change to 1 minute, whereas before it was 5 minutes. Activate the scheduler by clicking on this boolean, then click Save. On the right side, pop-ups will constantly appear every 1 minute, saying how many orders have been pulled from the Tokopedia Marketplace and any other marketplaces that have a scheduler active. The Sales app should now show all orders that took place within this minute. Therefore, every minute, the scheduler will keep pulling new orders to the Sales app. As a seller in Tokopedia, you have to accept the orders that customers have requested for. In my Sales app, you'll see an order with the status to process. You have to process this order first. In the Tokopedia shop, it will show a new order in the New Order Status tab, the Accept Order button, and the invoice number. Instead of going to the actual Tokopedia shop and clicking on Terima Pesanan or Accept Order, you can now accept orders directly from the sales order in Odoo. After clicking on Accept Order in Odoo, now when you go to the Tokopedia shop, the status has automatically changed to Ready to Ship. The status in the sales order in Odoo has also changed to Ship. This confirms that the sales order in Odoo is connected to the Tokopedia shop. You can click on Confirm Shipping to confirm the shipment and print the shipping label of this sales order. And that is all for this video. I hope this helps in understanding how to get your orders from your Tokopedia online shop to Odoo, either manually or with a scheduler. The Get Orders button opens up the possibility to sync your processes in Odoo with your shop, allowing for a more efficient and simple ordering process across all marketplaces. Thank you for watching and have a great day!